want it to be. Anyhow, so I want this to be this way. Then this is my Teflon paper. This is what they use in heat transfer. Hello guys, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I greet you all. Welcome to another weekly update episode 37. So by the way, we are in the month of December and I'm so busy, but at least when some order came in for some clients, I have to just do it. So this week we are going to be making two nursing bag, which is at the same time as diaper bag. So that's what I will be doing this week. I will be making the two diaper bag, then the bag I make back that I say I will be putting some prints and name and emoji on it. Will be doing that this week. And by the way, I've already done the prints, which are this particular one. So in few minutes now, or maybe in due time, I will turn the camera and show you what will be going on so far. And the material as well, this is the material I bought for the lunch box, for the nursing bag, I mean, you see. And my rope, I don't have much rope again, and this magic gum, so I bought some. Since we are almost close to the end of the year, so I don't need to waste money. It's not wasting money. I don't need to put money more to buy much thing, but I just need a little bit of things I know I can buy a little bit. The one I know I can buy a little bit, I need to buy it much, like this rope as well, the taping rope I need. So that is it. So guys, please make sure to stay tuned to watch this particular video to the end, as you will find the things I will be doing interesting. So I will take you through how I normally do its transfer to some of my bag locally. I will show you the process, and maybe if I want to do it on a professional way as well, I will still show you. And I will be showing those nursing bag, and if there's any activities that came on before the weekend again, I will still try to include this in the weekly update. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Happy Christmas to you guys. I know by now tomorrow we'll be celebrating Christmas, because I'm supposed to upload this video on Friday night. So and Saturday is Christmas. So guys, how are you guys doing? Are you enjoying your Christmas? Is it Saturday or Sunday? I don't really know. Pardon me please if I did mistake there. So happy Christmas to you. Please send my goat meat. I'll be expecting, and my chicken. I'll be expecting all of you. All of you, the viewers, I'm expecting it. Send me something. My meats. You guys. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. I wish everyone a happy and prosperity Christmas, and happy and also prosperity New Year again. New Year is going to be a great year for us, with big contract, big work, more money, more wisdom. We pray so, and we are going to grow together on this channel. So guys, without no further ado, let me proceed to the making of the rest of the video, and I will see you at the other side. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy, a giant thumbs up. New to this place, consider subscribing. Turn on the post notification bell when you finish subscribing. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular video, and wishing me happy Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now. See you at the other side, I mean. So guys, welcome to another day in the making of the weekly update. As I've told you that what I'm going to do this week not much. It's just the nursing bag, which is also the diaper bag. And what did I even said the last time? What? Okay, and heat transfer of the work. So by the way, now I've cut the nursing bag here. It's just true I'm making. The person that ordered for so it's just so I'm making. Actually, I have most of it on the decks now. I'll be working on it. And by the way, the one I made previously, I have two on the decks there now. So since they want four, but the other one, the color I make is not the same color they want. So they want this particular one, and I'm making this particular color for them as well. So that's what I'll be mixing with it. So now I'm about to start. So I just decided to show you what is going on. So once I finish all on the process, I will show you guys. And when I want to do the transfer as well, I will let you guys know. So as you see my face, I have been stressed. Work is not easy. I need to rest by end of the year. Actually, I'll be resting. You see the way my face is looking now, my eyes. Stress is already much. So what are we going to do? I have to make video for you guys. I have to work. I have to attend events. I have to attend location, other things. So it's not easy. We just need to uh, do everything possible to achieve what we really need to achieve. So enough talking. Let me proceed to the work I'm doing. So I'll see you at the other side. So I just finished one of it right now. Actually, I won't say right now. I finished it since, so I went out. So I just come back now, and I will be doing the second one. It's just for me to assemble it since I've done the front. You see, I fixed the front, I fixed the hand, then the zip is already there. This is the side. It's just for me to assemble it with the taping. So once I do it now, I will show it. I will show you guys how it's looking. So guys, I'm done with the diaper bag, the nursing bag. Actually, as you can see, these are the two on the decks. So I'm done with them now. It's left for me to package. So I'll package everything now. Once I package the items the clients order for, I'm going to package it as well. So once I package, I will try my best to show you guys. And by the way, right now I'm preparing to start doing the transfer. Even though I'm going to be using local charcoal iron, so here are them, all the transfer. There are many, and the emoji as well. I hope you are seeing this. This is the emoji, the two emoji. Then this is another one, the names on some of the bag. Then this is another one. This is another one. So once I finish that, once I do it, once I'm doing it, I will let you guys see the progress and how it's going. So stay tuned to watch this. By the way, there's no much thing to do on this channel this week, as it's week of holiday, and probably I have other things to do. So and I think I will not be working from henceforth again now. I will not be taking order, but there are some work we already have down that I've already planned down, I've already cut them. So it's like if I'm around at the shop, instead of me sitting idle without doing anything, I'll be touching those to just fill up everything so that I will not feel bored in the shop. So that's just it. See you at the other side. How beautiful it is. It has three individual bag, this, then another single pocket at the side here with a band on it. This, all the one in the front does not have a band, so it has this magic gum. The way it is, like, you can put anything here, whether you want to put your pampers, your diaper, or even your feeding bottle. You can put that, and you can just close this. It has a single zip at the top, and it's big enough compared to the one I used to make. So I decided to increase the size for this particular client because she has been good for me. She used to be a friend of mine back in the school. So, and now she's married and she ordered a lot of stuff from me. So she has buy a bag from us before, back in the school. So then now she's close to where I am. Actually, I will say close within Abuja as well. So she ordered some stuff, so I will be sending it to her. I'll be packing this right now. So just letting you guys to know. And these are the rest of the one I'll be taking to her, because she ordered for 4 nursing bag, 1 school bag, which is backpack, then 2 wallets. That's what she ordered for. So by the way, here are the names I will be printing on some bonnets and some bags. So once I'm doing it, you guys will see the progress. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, as you can see, I finished packaging the nursing bag, the 2, the first one and this. So this is the 2, the first one and the second one. So I say they ordered for 4 nursing bags. So this is the 4, 2 wallets and 1 backpack. So I'll be packaging it now. Then I don't think I'll be sending it today again because it's already late. But I'll package it down, then call the clients, then know when I will be sending it so that it can be delivered to them. This is the package bag already. To be going out, I'll be sending it tomorrow because I said it's already late today. So let me keep it here. So guys, right now I'm about to start doing the heat transfer. Actually, I've done the first one. As you can see how beautiful and how authentic it is. It is looking shiny, as you can see. So I will do the rest one. So actually, so that I won't be wasting much of a time, I have used this my knife to peel out it a little bit the back. So what I will be doing next is this way. You peel it out this way. You peel it out from the back. So you place it the way you want it to be. Anyhow. So I want this to be this way. Then this is my Teflon paper. This is what they use in heat transfer. This particular paper, it has like a touch. It's not like ordinary paper. It's just like a fabric, but not fabrics that burn. So Teflon, it is called Teflon paper. You put it on it. So by the way, there's no lights. I'm using my local iron. So you make sure the iron is hot a little bit for it to do whatever you want it to do, but you won't do it too much so that it will not damage your work. As you can see, looking nice. So let me do it a little bit more. Looking good, pretty good. So that's the way to apply a heat transfer to a particular bag. This is how we normally do it. So stay tuned. I will do the rest. So I'll be showing you once I'm done with it. I won't be doing it because I don't want to waste much of your time. Actually, let me say something. So this is how they look before. When I print them, I show you the way it is like. So I cut them. You see, as you can see, I cut them and shape them because I want it to look this way on it, so that it won't just look the way it's printed on here. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys love this particular video. If you do, give it a giant thumbs up. So let me proceed with the rest of the video. So welcome back, guys. I just finished making. As you can see, you've watched the time lapse of me making the bonnet, doing the heat transfer to the bonnet. So this is how you can do heat transfer to a bonnet, as you guys can see. So I have one left. I don't do. The client asked me not to do that one yet, that the name is going to change. So that's the reason why I didn't do it. And for the bags, as you can see, we have a dollar sign emoji for this one. We have another name for this one. We have another name for this particular one, another name for this, and those are beautiful artwork. Actually, I use good to print it. As you see the color, the way it came out, and it's shining. Then here's another one again. Oluwatinoke is this particular name. Then this one, Noniye. So the reason why I cut this into two is I don't know if it's included in the time lapse. This place we saw the pocket where we joined the pocket. If I say I should do that, it's going to rough the work. So I decided to cut it so you pronounce the name together. So that's that. Then the last one, so guys, good morning and welcome to the last day of the vlog. Actually, so I did all this last night. As you can see, you see all the time lapse. When I was even trying to film this, my camera died off, the battery was low, so I just go home. So these are everything. This is the only one I did not put, which is this trendy T, but I did every other thing. So this is the only one that is having issue, but I have not told the client. I will send it to them. If they complain about it, then they will return it and I will try to print and fix it. So these are everything we make, all the bonnets. Actually, it's 13 bonnets, so I think we just made 12 now, both with this particular one. So here are the bags, and you guys have seen how we do it transfer. This is a emoji, this is another name. another name. Here's another name, another one. Here's another one again, and this is the last one. So this is where we'll be handing it. Right now we'll be packaging it because she asked me to send it to her. She's not coming to the shop to collect it today because it's already weekend. She's busy and I am busy as well. By the way, that particular one I packaged the last time I vlog, I will be also sending it to the client. So today everything is well packaged. I will package this now. I'll package those so I can send it as well. And by the way, I came this morning and start you know, the year is almost end, so it's just few days now. So I'm trying to do some calculation, know what we make and everything. But by the way, I won't be able to finish this. Probably I will leave it for next year because in few days now I'll be so busy. But I'm trying to just try to arrange everything and put everything in order, know what we are making for the month and everything. So it is important you do your bookkeeping very well. And when people want to invest in you, once you don't have your bookkeeping, it will be very difficult for them. So that's the reason why we always keep this, our expenses, our income and everything, and the payments. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this particular video. This is where we'll be ending it for this week. Try to subscribe to the channel if you are new to this place. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Subscribe. I've said subscribe before. Turn on the post notification bell. Like this video if you do enjoy it. Give it a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section below there what you think. And if you want all these bonnets, we make it and we send to everybody wherever they are with their name on it. So it is very neat. This is just one that is having issue. So we don't hide anything here. I decided to show you guys so that you see that sometimes error come, but we are going to be fixing it. That's the reason why I will not be sending this particular one, and this one we've not done because they will be changing the name. So this is where we'll be ending the video actually. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Guys, here is it. I just decided to show you the two packages. This is the one we did yesterday. This is today one, so I will be sending it. So that is where this video will be on. Thank you guys for watching and bye for now.